Hello kids! Today we are going to read simple sentences. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. January starts the new year. Again, January starts the new year. Your turn. Very good. February is the shortest month. Again, February is the shortest month. Your turn. Very good. March begins the summer heat. Again, March begins the summer heat. Your turn. Very good. April brings heat and holidays. Again, April brings heat and holidays. Your turn. Very good. May has intense summer sunshine. Again, May has intense summer sunshine. Your turn. Very good. June begins the school year. Again, June begins the school year. Your turn. Very good. July brings the monsoon season. Again, July brings the monsoon season. Your turn. Very good. August is full of rains. Again, August is full of rains. Your turn. Very good. September brings cooler weather. Again, September brings cooler weather. Your turn. Very good. October is for festivals, joy. Again, October is for festivals, joy. Your turn. Very good. November celebrates Diwali and holidays. Again, November celebrates Diwali and holidays. Your turn. Very good. December ends with winter chill. Again, December ends with winter chill. Your turn. Very good. Let's revise all the months. Repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Again, repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. You did very well. Subscribe to watch more such videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.